Can we take a look in the cabin?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Want to follow me up?
All right, go ahead.
We'll just climb right up here. 1940 style. Here you go, Jay.
All right.
Welcome to the cabin of the big boy, Jay.
Oh, it's great.
Jay,
Hey.
I'd like you to meet Ted Schulte.
Ted, how are you,
Ted?
sir? Nice to
Good,
meet you.
you?
Yeah, those are the same water valves I have on my Stanley. Actually, the same. Yeah, the same ones actually.
Yeah.
That's your water level, right?
That's right. On the boiler this large, you need two.
Right.
Because of the length of the locomotive. Uphill and down, the water level varies.
Right.
And they help you maintain the proper water level.
And I assume this is danger right below there.
Those are just kind of some key lines. We're working on training some firemen, so we're just kind of giving them some visual cues. Danger is actually down in here.
Oh, okay.
So at no time will water ever be out of this bottom glass.
Because I understand that when it gets down, you turn on the pumps, and as you watch the level rise, and when it gets above half, you can shut it off again.
On a steam locomotive, it's a little bit different. So we're maintaining what we call the evaporative rate, the rate at which the locomotive is boiling water, producing its power. So we're replacing that water at the same rate and the same interval, if you will, that we're consuming it. We've got an injector here, that exhaust steam injector, and a big live steam injector here. And it uses the live steam or the exhaust steam and a combination of live steam to put that water in the boiler. It's just like a pump on your car.
Yeah. See, I guess this is meant to run at a constant rate of fuel use. In a car, you stop at a light, and then so you're constant. That's why the Domo has that draft booster.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, very cool.
You still do it, but you do it much more controlled and you plan ahead a lot. You know, we'll run up and stop and we tone everything back. This is called a spot fire right here.
Right.
When we're underway, we're generating greater horsepower. Therefore, this fire is really ripping and roaring along.
Yeah. That's the gates of hell, Lord. Any reason why these gauges are like this style and those gauges are that style?
So these are actually a more modern style of valve. So these are a forged steel valve, modern, available, properly engineered for the steam pressure. Most of the valves on the locomotive, they were period valves from the 40s. They're heavy duty, they're rugged, but they also are 80 years older.
See, I like these because you've got these little nubs here. I always had trouble with those because I have to put a wrench on.
You get oil and grease on your hands.